How to make money with Google AdSense using AI full step-by-step guide. Now, what if you could create content once and get paid for it over and over again? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use AI to build a system that generates traffic and turns that traffic into money using AdSense. So by the end of this video, you're going to be understanding exactly how AdSense works, how to create content using different types of AI, how to get different types of traffic, and how to actually start earning. This isn't a theory. We're building a real system that you can follow. Now, let's keep it simple. AdSense pays you when people visit your website and either view or click on ads. The more traffic you have, the more you're going to be earning. But here is the catch. Random traffic is not going to make you any money. You will need proper targeted traffic. So, for example, someone searching for best laptops for students. It's pretty much more valuable than someone randomly browsing it. So, the goal is not just traffic, it is the right traffic. Now, first of all, we're going to choose the right niche because this is where most people mess up. Not all niches are going to pay you the same. Topics like finance, tech, education, and health usually have higher payouts. So even if you go on Google Trends, you can go ahead and check that there's different types of traffic on different types of things. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and search up tech. We're going to explore, and you can see that these things have a lot of search rate, which is pretty cool. So you can use niches like these, but don't just chase high paying niches. Choose something you can actually create content for consistently. A good niche is something that sits in the middle. It has good search demand, it has decent ad rates, and you can produce content regularly because consistency will always beat everything. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find topics that will get us traffic. So for content ideas, search for questions people are already asking. Think how to best review or guide type content. So let's say if I just search up a simple how to over here, you can see a lot of searches pop up, but the best place to search would be on Google. So I'm going to search up how to. And as you can see, there's a lot of searches over here. So how to measure speed of fan. Obviously, this is something that daily life people search, but this how to have auto notes in Google Meets Chromebook is something that you can actually work on. This is the type of content that people are searching up for, people are consuming, and this is the type of content you can write posts or create websites on. Then there's how to recover Gmail account, how to delete Instagram account, how to screenshot on laptop. These are tech things that you can create guides on. So what you can do is you can use AI to generate topic ideas, but do not stop there. Validate them by checking search results. If you see smaller websites ranking, that's your chance to complete. So let's say if I go over to how to have auto notes in Google. Now, as you can see, not a lot of websites are making guides about this. So this could be a good chance to start creating a tech guide on this. You're not trying to beat huge websites here. You're finding the gaps that they have missed. All right. So what we're going to do is obviously we're going to have our website set it up. So I have my website on blogger.com. And what we can do is we can actually start generating blog posts about this specific thing. And how do you create that blog post? We're obviously going to be using AI for ourselves. Now, to use AI to generate blog posts based on your topic, you need to do it properly. Don't just generate everything at once, break it into sections. So the sections that I'm going to be using are these: introduction, main content, and subheadings. Once you create these, then you're going to refine it. Add examples, simplify explanations, and make it readable. The goal is to create content that people actually stay on. Because here's the truth, more time on your page will equal to more ad revenue. And content alone is not enough. It needs to be optimized. Include your keywords naturally in your titles, headings, and paragraphs. So we're also going to be adding that. So you're going to write, I want to write a blog post on, then you're going to go over to the topic, right? We're going to paste it right here. Follow the structure I have given above, all right? And then you could come down here, and this is where you can write, include your keywords naturally in titles, headings, and the first paragraph. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and send it in. And once you send it in, as you can see, you have a proper blog post coming in. So you have an introduction, main content, and then you have proper subheadings. So what you can do is, first of all, come over to blogger.com. Let's go to new post. And here is where we're going to be adding this. All right. Now, when you're adding this for ourselves, do make sure to keep it professional. So how to have, make sure that all the first words are going to be capitals, because it makes the Google search, or the people that look you up on the Google search space, it makes it look more professional, it makes it look more clean, and just tracks the user to actually click on what you are providing them. All right. Now, once this is in, this is where you're going to start structuring your things. So first of all, we have the introduction. We're going to paste that right here, and we're going to go a paragraph down. This is where the main content starts coming in. All right. So go ahead and copy all of this. And once you copy it, you're going to come right here and paste it, right? So remove the subheadings icon and start working around with it. All right. So first of all, let's give it the minor heading section. All right. Now, once that is done, we're going to go ahead and let's say this is something that needs to be looked at. Obviously, choose a color that is easier to the eye. And once this is done, we're going to come here and we're going to start refining things. So this is a subheading. We're going to act it as a subheading, and we're going to make it red. All right. Now, this is another subheading. You're going to go ahead and write it down over here, create a subheading, and we're going to do the same format for all of the other things. All right. Subheading. And once all of this is done, you have a proper blog post that is ready to be shown to the world. So once this is done, simply hit publish. Now, in this blog post, what's going to happen is you're going to have all of the necessary things that your blog needs. Okay, you have proper keywords, you have the correct extensions that you're going to be needing, and the right flow of things. It's that simple and it's that easy. Now, moving on to one of the most important steps, and that is setting up your AdSense. All right. So once you have some content in your website, you're simply going to set it up on AdSense. And to set it up on AdSense, simply go ahead and sign up with the same account that you're signed up on over here. You can also do it directly from blogger.com if that is what you're using. Simply go to earnings, click on create AdSense account. And once you click on create AdSense account, simply go ahead, add in all the details, connect it to your blogger.com. And after the approval, it's going to start placing ads on your website and you should be good to go. So that is pretty much how you can go ahead and earn through AdSense with AI in the easiest way. So if that was helpful, do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.